This is a review for the blender Bravo. It has 300 watts max, 20,000 revolutions per minute, and 6,000 mAh battery life. So here's the box that it comes in. It looks like it comes in a couple of different colors: white, black, pink, and green. So in the box, you'll have the lid for the bottle here. And it also comes with this other lid that has the little spout to drink out of. It comes with a nice little bag. The bottom lid, you can, when this goes on the blender, you can take it off and put a bottom on it. The charging cable is magnetic, and so it just fits right on there, just like that. You do need the cube for it. It doesn't come with that. And then it has this safety lid for the top of the little blender part. So, and we'll just, we'll make a smoothie here. So you see when that'll come on, that shows that it's intact here. It won't work unless that comes on. Okay. And actually what you can do too, and then I think it's easier. So it says ER once you take off if there's nothing in there, so it won't turn on. Okay. But you can put the lid on here, turn it upside down. And I have some frozen fruit here. And I'll just add some milk. Okay, and then you can put the blender on. Okay, and then so you push it down to turn it on, and it'll put 20 seconds on there. You can also make it 30 seconds. I think if you push it, so you push it twice. Awesome. So what you can do here, and then just turn it upside down. And when you take this off, and then you can put, and you can kind of see in there, and then you can put the bottom of the lid on, and now you can drink it straight out of the bottle. And then just to show you kind of how smooth it blended, put that there. There you go. Nice little smoothie. All right.